All this is a wig. Okay. Okay. Well, looky. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. And this one right here came like this. None of my hair is out. All this is a wig. Okay. Okay. I didn't curl a single strand on this wig, and it's textured. It's a textured wig that already comes with a natural curl, y'all. You may want to add this one to the list. But before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WowAfrican. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their natural curls wig, meaning it has like a kinky straight texture with curls already in the unit. I have tried twice to curl my kinky straight wigs just like this, but it takes a lot of time, and I be tired. I don't feel like doing it. So I'm so happy that WowAfrican said, you know what, we're gonna do it for you. We're gonna charge for it, but we're gonna do it for you, okay? This one does come with the natural edges, and I must say, when I put it on, it was a hard no. WowAfrican, I've only tried, I think, one wig from them with the natural edges, if I'm not mistaken. And it was after I tried another brand, and I really liked how WowAfrican did their edges when I brushed them out. However, this one looks real heavy, okay? There's not really much plucking going on with this hairline or naturalness. So I will need to go in and pull some of this hair out because it's a lot. But first, I'm gonna tip my lace with my 360 mocha powder. More than likely the lace will be hidden, and I'll still use my contour if need be. But I just kind of want to give it a little tint to see what it's looking like right now. The elastic band is already on the wig. I'm gonna take off the adjustable straps just to make sure it's comfy for me. This unit doesn't come with a strong chemical smell, but I'm gonna still give her a little hoe bath, okay? Because it does come with a slight chemical smell, but I will insert some footage right here of me testing the strand with some water to see how it holds up under, you know, washing. They may loosen a bit, but they should not disappear from your wig, because the last thing you wanna do is wash this wig and the curls drop. Like, that defeats the whole purpose. But for now, I'm gonna do a little dry shampoo and water. Pat that in. Because of how sturdy this band is, I could probably rock this unit glueless, but for me, I'll spray it down because of how this hairline looks. I need my hairline to lay a certain way, bars. This wig is fitting pretty nicely. I don't know if they sent me the medium or the large cap. I'll make sure I put my actual cap size down below so you guys know. This one's gonna fit pretty snug. So this may be the medium cap, but they do have small, medium, large for their caps. The large cap though will take 7 extra days to make. So if you got a big head, go ahead and add 7 days to that shipping, all right? Let me just clip this hair up so I can get this lace off. Well, first I'm gonna pluck it before I get the lace off. Y'all see what I'm talking about? See how that looks? We don't want that. Nobody's hairline looks like this. I feel like these are too short for this hair. It literally goes from 1 inch to 5. I don't like that. This is not gradual in my opinion, WowAfrican. So go back to the drawing board and fix that. I'm just gonna go in and pull out with my tweezers some of this hair. Because it's short, it should just fall right off like that. This is a lot of hair, so I may need to just cut my losses and finagle the hairline with the spray. I'm thinking that's what I need to do. I shouldn't have to style this wig like this. I don't want to be doing all this. The curls are already there. I just want to put the wig on and go. Let me just stop. So I'm just gonna take my blow dryer on high heat and my bristle brush, and I'm gonna blow through this hair to sleek this out and see how it's looking. Now that I can see, I'm gonna go in with my tweezers and pull out a little bit of hair around the hairline. Now that it's straight, I can see that I don't need to pull out as much. So go ahead and blow dry the peasies so you can see if you need to pull anything out. They did send me some clips, so I'm gonna cut off the excess lace. Cut my lace in 3. I will need to shape my hairline so it's not so circular. but I'll do that with the swishies. In order to mold my hairline, I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse first before I do my spray. What is that?
Chicken and nachos.
Oh, I'll eat after. Thank you. It's gonna be kind of like a swish and brush back, if that makes sense. It doesn't make sense, I know. So just kind of watch how I'm doing it. So kind of swish down like this and then bring it back. We don't want all the hairs, we just want a little bit of the edges to come down. Put my glasses back over the lace so I can see exactly what I'm doing. It curls up the hair a bit, makes it a bit more natural looking. Y'all saw that I didn't tweeze out that much hair, so maybe the hairline works only when you sleek it out. I just want to make sure I spray the hair exactly how it's gonna sit. Pretty sure this is my middle, so let me just bring this like that. Just to make sure my unit is going in the right direction. That actually looks pretty good without any type of spray. But if I don't spray it down, it's gonna frizz up a lot more as the day goes on, and I don't want that. I don't care about the sides because my hair will probably be down. Maybe I'll go to like right here. So I'm gonna use my melt spray, and I'm gonna spray it across the front. I have been using this melt spray for about a week or two now. If I use a lot of this, it'll stick. But if I go really light-handed, it'll stick for a little bit, but then it'll come up if I start sweating, but it'll still have that molded look. Work fast, mold it how you need it. Mold it, curl it down. They did send me a wrap, however, I want the elastic bands. As much as these wigs is, you better throw in an elastic band. Stop playing around. I'm gonna wrap it down. Like so. Dang it, I know my head is big, but sheesh, stop playing with me. Before I style the rest of my wig, I'm gonna go ahead and do my little 5-minute face, then we'll come back, fluff the hair out, and that'll be it. All right, be right back. So let's get this hair styled up. I'm loving the frizzy little tendrils that's coming down. I like that. Let me get my part straight. I think I'm gonna do a middle part. Bring the hair to the front. Use my blow dryer on the top on warm and high to flatten this out. Take my wide tooth comb. Is the hair tangling? A little bit. I'm just gonna comb these out to relax them. I don't want them to be so perfect. If I need to clump them back together, I'll use a little bit of mousse. Get my ends. I am getting some shedding. Take a little bit of my grease, not that much. Put it on the top for the flyaways. Work it through the rest of the hair. Down to the ends, give it a little shine. I don't think I need to do anything in my part. I mean, I wish it was a little bit more open, but I'm gonna work with it. I'm gonna use a little bit of light silk spray all over the hair for a little bit of extra shine and to help with that smell. Take off the bands, see what the hairline is like. Peel it down to the front. Ooh. Get off me, get off me. Okay. Brush it out. Relax that hardness a bit. Bring it forward. Let me see, let me see. I wish there was some layers right here in the front. There we go, I just needed some lift up in here. Be careful how you cut it. You don't want it to be blunt. If it is, just take your finger and zhuzh it up like that. Could I do a side flip over situation? Ooh, the flip over though. I do need to tint my lace on the side here. Get my contour a little bit on my brush. Blend that in like so. The hairline is actually blending pretty nicely. I'm not seeing the harsh line, so that means the lace melted pretty good. However, when I step outside, I may need to blend it. So like I tell y'all all the time, go in front of a window with natural light and blend your lace out. In front of your lights, it'll look really good. But once you step outside, that's the true test. So a natural light window with a little bit of shade. To me, that's how your eyes see lace or foreign objects around your face. I need my hair to be a little bit fuller. I'm gonna use my pick and tease up the hair a bit. Y'all should put some layers in here, WowAfrican. A little bit of layers, that'll be great. I thought I wanted the middle part, but the flip over surprised your girl. Me doing this will create tangles in my wig. Do this at your own risk. This is the look that I want for my wig. My girl Sherelle had the same unit. She likes her curls to be more defined and neat. Looks really good. Also my girl Alyssa, she did the flip over and the middle part. It looked good on her as well. So make sure y'all check them out so you can see how this wig looks on different people. I'm gonna use some of my Tresemme hairspray. Oh, that's not Tresemme, that's Eben. Ooh. About to mess the whole look up, child. Tresemme extra hold spray. Scrunch it up just to reinforce my side because it's gonna keep popping up. I'm gonna take my bobby pin, put it right in front of the ear, push it up like that, hold them sides down, cover it up like that. That works for me. Okay, y'all, this looks good, right? Again, I wish there were some more layers in this wig, but this right here, that'll give you some layers if you tease it up a little bit. I know I like big hair anyway, so this works for me. Look at that hairline. Ooh wee. Word to the wise, don't rock this while you, when you open the stove, whipping up that mac and cheese. Don't wear this one. You need to make sure you tie this down before you get near any moisture, steam, water, anything that will make your lift lace, make your lift lace, make your lace lift. Make sure you tie that down because that lace and them edges gonna frizz right back up. It's gonna have you looking real crazy at the dinner table. Auntie gonna have something to talk about. You. I'm pretty sure this wig came with a 13x6 part, so you can do a middle part or side part, left or right. You can do a full up ponytail style. You can do a half up, half down style. Whatever you want to do to this wig, you can do it with this part in space. And the best part about it is you don't gotta curl nothing. You don't gotta curl. You don't gotta curl. Ooh, you don't gotta curl a thing. I like that. I don't like that I'm sweating though. Good Lord, it's hot. Thank you. The heat is on in the house, but I know the weather has been up and down, child. It's ridiculous. Where's Jack Frost? Other than that, this wig is gorgeous. Listen, the holidays are here and so are the deals. So make sure if they have any deals on this wig, you go ahead and jump on it now. Okay, giddy up. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.